It's just, it's a game. What happened? I look like a sauce. What? Ew. Who made this game? Is that? What the heck? Am I okay? What do you do? What am I supposed to be? There's sausages. What's going on? There's a guy with a line. At this game. What's neck helicopter. No, I don't have no robots. Ooh. You spy with your little eye. Oh my gosh! No, you're going. Oh. 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 No! I need friends. Oh God, no. I need friends. I need friends. I'm just gonna leave like that. I said I need. Did you hear? I said I need friends. That means they don't care about me. Wow. That's wow. What? Are you like? Are you Oh, the run is already over. What do you know? Go to town. Ooh. Lag. It said go to town, but how can I do that when I have such a terrible lag? Work. I'm off to Who's Nick? I'm singer. What the heck? No, let's change that. Because we all know I'm not no Nick. I died again. We partying. We're partying. Okay, we can join the party. Oh, whoa. Okay. What do we do now? See, this is why I don't play on these games. I'm a little booger. Help! No! Someone's gonna try to kill me. Oh, no! No! You think, no! You think this is okay? Come up to me. Hey, I'm big. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, bye. Oh, no. I changed my mind. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to be rude. Bye, boo. But you know what? I'm singer. Good they didn't put Nick back in. Oh, my God. Because we ain't Not no Nick. I don't know who's Nick. Ooh, we can build a slip. Ooh. Ugh, what's it? That's ugly. Ooh, we could be like the brightest color ever. No ugliness. Boom, 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 boom. And then the red. Da, 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 da. Oh no, we don't want that. No. Whatever, we're gonna just do this anyways. Okay. Save. Oh, this is giving me a headache. Let's play. Oh man. You gonna come at me, bro? I know you're gonna try something. You gotta know. You have no technique. No one can beat me, 'cause I'm the cheerful worm, and I'm not a glob like a Gario. Woohoo! And I really want this meat type thing to. Oh no! No, who do you think you are? And I don't know what to do. Oh, the worm. You know what? I'm gonna die because of this lagginess. Why am I singing? I got no idea. Why am I singing? Peppy, why am I singing? I have a long body. I'm in love with the shape of you. You pour like a mammoth. Mammoth? I ain't no mammoth. What? Thomas the Train, choo choo. Anybody wanna come along? Ooh, he much bigger. He's like a big Thomas the Train. You know what? Big Thomas the Train, here I come. Oh, who's she? She long. She's thick. But honey, I'm thicker than a Snicker. Okay, she can't be thicker than me. Woo! Like, here I come out. Aunt Judy. I ain't got no Aunt Judy. Like, am I reading that wrong? I think I'm reading that wrong. Am I reading that wrong? I feel like I'm reading that wrong. Thank you guys for watching very much. This was just like mixed with things like Agario and Slitherio and Roblox. I didn't know if I should do more games. Let me know if I should do more games like Wizard 01. AKA, I know it's an old game. Wolf Quest. Just let me know. But no Fortnite on this channel. We're not gonna be a Fortnite player. No. But just let me know in the link down below. I'm so used to saying link down below. I mean, tell me like what game to play, and I'm gonna play it and maybe make a video on it. So yeah, bye.